It's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Over here, we do hair, nails, makeup, we do it all, okay? So today I want to talk to you guys about this company called Double Dip, okay? I didn't know about them until like a while ago. So they sent me this kit, and let me just tell y'all, when y'all watch this video, the kit is just amazing, okay? So, but first I want to tell you a few things about the company. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about Double Dip, you can use their powders for dipping, and you can use them with monomer, okay? Now, that's something that's like kind of rare as far as for dip powder. Typically, when you try to use dip powder with monomer, it doesn't set all the way, so you might have to get some activator and use it, you know, use the activator as monomer to do the, you know, the traditional acrylic way. But today we're gonna test it out, okay? So I have my kit. I am gonna open up the kit on camera to show you guys everything that's in it, and the packaging is amazing, okay? The packaging is amazing. The colors and stuff that they sent me is just super cute, so I can't wait to, you know, use it on camera for you guys. So I'm going to open it for y'all, and I'm going to use it and show y'all how to work it, all right? But a few things about the company: they are vegan, cruelty-free, okay? It is eco-friendly. It is nail-friendly, okay? And by nail-friendly, I mean that they have biotin and keratin in the product. So it's going to, you know, strengthen your nail, give your nail all the good nutrients and stuff that you need while you slaying a nice manicure, okay? All of that, okay? It's made over here. It's American made, which is great. And it is ran by women, which is awesome as well, okay? And, you know, for a company to be ran by women and who know what women like, okay, they have over 2,000 colors, y'all, okay? So anything you can think of, they have it, okay? Not only do they have the dip powder and the liquids, they have like nail art, stickers, like all kind of fun stuff on the website. So I'm gonna have the website and all of that in the description bar, so you guys can go check them out. But let's jump into this box, okay, so you guys can see what all they sent me. So I opened the box to find this beautiful bag in here that has Double Dip on it. This is super cute, so let's open it up. Okay, everything is packed in here all nicely. We got a brush. Ooh, this is beautiful. This color is champagne gold. We got some more colors in here. Ooh, we got 6 colors in here. Wow. We got clear base, clear sky, magnolia, and I have to tell you guys what these 3 are. But let's keep on unboxing. Okay. Here we have some instructions, which instructions are great. And I love this bag. I think I'm going to keep everything in this bag. So let's take these colors out so I can tell you. The other ones, we have bunny nose. We have emerald. and Enchanted. Okay, so these are amazing. I cannot wait to use these. I'm going to try them with the dip method and with some monomer. So let's open this part up. And here we have a buffer, a file, a orange wood stick, and some replacement tips for the brushes. So that's great. Got some business cards, okay. And we have our liquids in here. So we have 2, which is the dip base, 3, which is the activator, 4, which is the top coat, and 5, which is the brush cleaner. So not only do you get a brush cleaner, but you also get extra brushes. So it should be no way you can go wrong with this. So let's get another look at the colors before we open them and jump in. So on this hand, I'm going to use the emerald and the clear. I will have a picture of it from the bottom so you can see the exact names that I used on this hand and on the other hand. So for on this hand, I'm going to use the dip method, and on the other hand, I'm going to use the acrylic and monomer method, and I'm going to use this Mia Secret monomer. So I'm going to start off with the base coat and a layer of the clear base. This is what I would do if it was on my natural nails. So I wanted to do the same thing on the practice hand. And I'm just applying the base and dipping into the clear base. After that has set or the base has dried, I'm going to brush away the excess, and I'm going to do the same thing with the color. So I'm going to apply the base and dip into the color, and I am going to do 2 dips of the color, meaning after this first round I'm going to brush away the excess and I'm going to do it all over again. Here I'm just showing you guys that you can dip into the container or you can pour over. I really didn't see that much of a difference. I feel like when you dip it in, it gets more saturated, and when you pour over, you have to kind of let it settle in a little bit before you knock off the excess. After brushing away the second color, I'm going back into the clear to encapsulate it, which is what I would do normally. Then I am going in with the activator. And I like to do 2 coats of activator. The product dried really well. They sent me a file, but I needed something that was a little bit more rougher, a little bit coarser. So I went in with this file here that I normally use to shape it up. And with this new practice hand, I was able to actually file it on the hand. So I was really excited about that. Because of the tips that I applied, I did kind of have some lumps in there, but if you are applying this to your natural nail, the application should be really smooth. And I went in with 2 coats of the top coat. And this is what it looks like. It looks great, right? So now it's time to do the other hand using the acrylic and monomer method. And since I had 5 colors left, I went ahead and did 1 color on each hand. So it's basically like a swatch. And overall, I love the colors. The pigments are really nice. And the fact that it actually cured with the monomer, that was just awesome. So the application was easy. I didn't feel like it was clumpy or cakey or anything. The powder, the consistency was really good. I did use the Mia Secret monomer, so I don't know how it will react to a different monomer, but for this monomer, it worked well in my opinion. It applied like butter. The application was really smooth and effortless. I really didn't have to do a lot, really. Just put it on there and brushed it out and it looked amazing. I did go in and encapsulate the colors with the clear base. And that worked pretty well also. For the thumb, I did the same process using that kind of silver glitter. I think it's called Enchanted. Then I filed and shaped them up. These are all of the colors in the order that I used them. I filed and shaped it up, and here is what they look like next to the nail. I used the base top, well, the top that comes with the dip system. I used that top coat because that's the one that they sent me, and I didn't want to put something else on it. And I didn't know if it would work, but it actually worked pretty good. I would prefer a gel top coat on top of my acrylics, but this top coat, it wasn't bad. I did 2 coats the same way I did on the other hand. And it was nice and shiny. Because it was a practice hand, I feel like my filing could have been better. I really tried to file as much as I could without removing the nails out of the hand. I wanted this process and experience to be as close to real as possible. So this is what they look like. They look amazing. I went on the website and ordered some more stuff, so that should tell you how I feel about the products. I ordered another kit kind of like this one, but it came with some different colors. So definitely check out their website. It will be in the description bar below. So I give it a thumbs up for sure. If you have tried double dip, definitely put in the comments and let me know what you guys thought about it, and let me know some of your favorite products that you have tried from them. So as you guys saw in the previous part of the video, everything was just super nice. The products don't have any harsh chemicals. Like the smell, like I didn't like feel like any type of way or anything. I was just so overwhelmed with the fact that I could use my monomer with it. And in the video, like I said, you know, I used the Mia Secret monomer, but definitely I will be ordering some more of the powder, mainly because I have the option to dip or use monomer. I kind of like having options. So that's one of the things that really stood out to me. Another thing about the company, they send a lot of emails, okay? And they sent, you know, the hello, the welcome, the, you know, join our group, and if you leave something in your cart, they, you know, you forgot something, like the cutest little emails. So I really like that, how they kind of, you know, stay on you and keep in touch with you. And I did join the group on Facebook, so I'm excited about being in there, and I'm just excited about doing some other stuff, you know, with these products. The hand that I have, the blue that I did the dip on, you are going to see that hand in another video. I'm going to use that as a base for some nail art, so keep an eye out for that. But I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Definitely check Double Dip out. The information is going to be in the description bar below. But I hope you guys have an awesome day or night, depending on when you're watching this. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, join the Itz Sirap family, okay? Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third, and it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey man, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.